Hello there, geocachers, treasure hunters and thrill seekers. Well, you wouldn't believe this. Well, maybe you would, but today I did something really daft. I've done 2 geocaches, drive-bys on the way through to Filey, and I filmed a whole lot in hyperlapse. So here is, quite possibly, the shortest geocaching video ever. Roll camera. There you go. How was that one, eh? What a buffoon. What a buffoon. Yeah, so that one's taken me up to about 108, 109, 110, so I can't quite remember off the top of my head as I record this. I don't even know what to say. Don't even bother liking for this video. Do what you like. If you like it, if you think I'm daft, give it a thumbs up. If you like what I'm doing, the fact that I show you the fact that I'm a bit of a doofus from time to time, by all means subscribe, and you'll get to see some other times when I'm a bit of a doofus too. Anyway, if you have watched this, thanks, you take care, cheerio. Still can't believe I did that. I even did a cool drive off for Brad.